Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my useful tool which is cyberpanel.net. What cyberpanel.net do? Basically it's a command line tool which will help you to deploy a .NET Core application or Linux server. So basically when you have a cyberpanel, it is super easy to deploy a PHP application. It will take care of SSL, it will take care of all the required setup to deploy an application, and it is easy to upload your PHP code on a server with the help of FTP when you are using cyberpanel. But when it comes to .NET Core deployment, there is no way to deploy your application on a cyberpanel, or if you want to deploy a .NET core application on Linux, it will require a lot of configuration, like you have to set up reverse proxy, you have to set up SSL, and a lot more. But then cyberpanel.net, this tool come in a picture to make your work easier. Before starting, let's see what we have done so far. So far, we have set up cyberpanel and we have created a website which is cyberpanel.net.skydoweb.com that we can see here, and already I have set up FTP account. I have logged in using FileZilla, and you can see this is the file, default file, which come with the cyberpanel whenever you create a PHP web app, or you set up a website. So this is the file. Basically this is the default file which we are seeing here. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our tool, that command line tool, and we will upload the .NET Core application here, and we will run it. And it will be super easy. Wait for a while. We will go through step by step. First, we have to install cyberpanel.net on our Linux server. For that, I will share this URL. This is a public URL that you can easily access. I will share in the description. And once we are on this page, basically you can scroll down and you will find this line of command. That simply you have to copy, and you have to get access, SSH access on your server. So we will perform this activity. You have to access on your server. Once you are in, then basically I will prefer sudo su. That's, it will give me a sudo access, and then we can just simply paste the command, hit enter, and just wait for a while. And it's quick and fast. You can see in a second it is already installed. Let's move to next step. So next we can see we have check version command here that will help you to know if successfully installed our cyberpanel tool. Just simply copy and go back to your terminal and just paste here and just hit enter. So you can see the version is already installed. So cyberpanel.net tool is ready to use. So now go back to our repository and just go through the document. So what does it say? We have to make a directory under the public folder, which is exactly here. So what we're gonna do, create a directory, and we will give the same name, .NET Core app, that we have seen here. So it's simple, and next step we will upload the our .NET Core publish folder here. So if you go up and see the repository, we have also an application, .NET Core application, which is SignalR test app.NET 8 zip. Simply you can click here and just download it. So let's wait for download. Download is done. Go to folder. extract all, and boom, here we have. As a demo app, so what we need here, we just need a published file that we're gonna upload on our server to test the application. So later on you can change with your own, but I'm gonna use this for now. So I will just open this path and simply upload. Once upload will be done, we will continue with next step. Before executing further, I would recommend some command need to be executed that will help you to update the .NET Core. Uh, we can see here, because this application is totally depend on the .NET Core Runtime 8 version, and this is my fresh Linux installation, so we have missing on server. So I will copy this command and just paste here, and boom, the installation will be go forward. Once it is done, then what we can this will help you to make sure that all the .NET Core dependency is already installed. And so now we will follow this document, and here we are. So we have uploaded the files in .NET Core app folder. Now we have to execute this command. So this command will be actually look like this. The domain will be your domain of your website, and this is more important, which is main DLL, which we can get from your published folder. Like we have uploaded our application, this is our main DLL of our application. So we will just replace this with our DLL. So now I will copy this command. So simply just go here, paste and hit enter, and you can see the output is active and running, and it seems everything's are done, and we can test in the browser, and we can visit the website from here. This is our website, you can see it's up and running, and it's super easy. There is a one more important command, which is toggle command. It will help you to switch the mode of application from PHP to .NET, .NET to PHP. So how to use it? We will make it command like this. So we have to put your domain and the PHP or .NET, which one you prefer. So let's copy this and go back to SSH, paste here, space PHP. So hit enter and we'll see the output. Okay, now the application is running as a PHP mode. Okay, we'll see. Then go back to our website, visit our website. So boom, we are done here. So now we want to change the mode with .NET. So what we have to do, we have to add a .NET only. So here .NET, hit enter and wait for a while. Now the mode has been changed as a .NET mode. Let's go back to the browser and try to reload. Hope it will work. Oh, now it's working. Here we have one more command which is really helpful if you are working with SignalR. We can enable or disable the hubs. So what we have to do, simply copy this command and go to SSH, paste here, hit enter. So we already set up the SignalR hub. Let's open another tab. I want to show that it is working with SignalR or not. We can test it. Simply we can start chatting. Khaled, test message. So we are sending from here and boom, we are receiving here. Test user and message 2. So that's it, guys. You can see the signal R is working. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye bye.